So Lionel Messi and Barcelona demolished Liverpool in the first leg of the Champions League semi-final to prove again that he's the quintessential club bully who does the most magical, breathtaking, and unbelievable things on the football field for his club Barcelona, but cannot replicate these exquisite skills on the world's biggest football stage, where he repeatedly shrinks and recoils into a wimp and a coward and a failure. And we have the perfect cases in point this evening. This was Messi in yesterday's game against Liverpool. Late in the game, free kick from about 35 yards out. Look at Messi's immaculate technique in a near perfect execution, pinpoint precision. It was like pure magic from Messi in the Barcelona shirt again. Now, this is what we're talking about with Messi. Flashback to 2014, the World Cup final, the biggest game on the biggest stage, a game that should have defined and cemented Messi's legacy. Argentina down 1-0 in time added on to extra time. A free kick to Argentina, 35 yards out. The World Cup title is on the line. The world was at his feet. Look at Messi's World Cup final free kick. And now the ball still a trouble. Messi and Argentina beaten in the World Cup final. And this is just one of the several instances throughout his career where Lionel Messi was breathtakingly brilliant for his club Barcelona, and on the next hand, an embarrassing flop for Argentina in the big high-pressure games. The Maverick hereby rests the case of Lionel Messi, the club bully, for the time being. Oh, sorry, who that? Club Lionel bully and Lionel.